video, we're going to proceed in our lesson in Mathematics 9 is radicals. So, for today's video, ito muna i-discuss natin, laws of radicals. But I'm also introducing yung mga susunod na lesson natin. So, di-discuss ko rin ang basic operations of radicals, radical equation, and rationalization. Ngayon, in other words, ang main topic natin sa susunod na tatlo pang video is more on radicals. So, before we proceed, so papalala as a guide, ay kailangan nyo rin tandaan to. The square root and perfect squares. No? So, paano natin ito gagamitin? Halimbawa, pag may tanong, what is the square root of 100? Siyempre 10. If we're going to find the squares of the following. Let's say, what is the square root of 39? Ito yun, no? 1521 or 1521. Now, let us apply it in our math work. So, find the following roots. So, meron naman ako nakikita mga nakajoin sa Google Classroom and I'm expected na siguro merong iba rito na browse to and in seems yung mga nakita yung answer ay medyo nakakalito. Pero i-explain natin. Ngayon, i-explain natin. So, number 1, so basic lang din to since this is, medyo obvious na. So, what is the square root of 4? Of course, 2. Okay? So, no any explanation. Next, number 2. What is the answer for the negative times square root of 9? So, first, alam naman natin siguro ang square root of 9. So, obviously, we have 3. Siyempre, retain ang negative. So, ngayon, ko-combine nyo na lang yan. So, you will got negative 3. Okay, so, I guess meron akong ilang natatandaan sa square roots dahil ito ay nadiscuss siguro for a little trivia in quadratic equation, solving quadratic equation. No, extracting square roots, quadratic formula. Ayan. Going back, so kanina nasa labas ang exponent negative sign. Ngayon nasa loob. Anong sagot niya? Obviously, no real roots. Diba? Naka-counter tayo ng gandong given sa quadratic equation or any kinds of polynomial equation. Ngayon, so, iba kasi, kaya ko nilagay ito kasi merong iba na naglalagay ng yung imaginative number nila. So, especially to college students. Meron ako nakikitang algebra book. Although meron akong noon. So, meron gumagamit sila ng ganyan. No? So, pero ngayon, obviously, para hindi tayo mahirapan, so just write no real roots. But it depends also to your teacher. No? Yun ay kung negative ating radicand. Alright. So, dito, sa 8, how come na naging square root of 4 times 2 siya? Ang ginawa dito, you're going to find the factors of 8. Though, ang 8 kasi ay rational number, but it's not perfect square. So, ibig sabihin ng rational ay pwede pa siyang masimplify by radicals, di ba? So, you're going to find the factor of 8 with corresponding perfect square number, which is 4 times 2. Alin ang perfect square dyan sa dalawa? Siyempre, yung 4. Ngayon, yun na siya sa hanapan ng square root. Then, what is the square root of 4? Siyempre, may 2. Whole number. Then, square root of 2, since square root of 2 is an irrational number, kasi kahit anong gawin simplify, decimal na lang siya. Okay, so we have 2 square root of 2. Paano natin ma-happy yung decimal? Decimal version ng square root of 2. Use your calculator. Use your scientific calculator. Or any kinds of calculator na meron square root feature. Eto, paano naman to? Same with procedure. So, set aside nyo yung 12, then ito muna asikasuhin nyo. What is the corresponding factors of 27 with perfect square? So, let's say, 27 times 7 times 1, syempre, though perfect square ang 1, pero hindi siya ganun ka, 9 times 3, ayun, sakto. Bingo. Yun lang naman eh. Or 3 times 9. Now, in your 9 times 3, so what is the square root of 9? Meron tayong 3, then retain. Kaya lang, may 12 ka pa. Anong gagawin mo dyan? So, multiply nyo to. So, we have 36 times square root of 3. Or 36 square root of 3. Okay. Kapag ganito, ayan nyo na lang yung coefficient. Isipin nyo para lang siyang polynomial which is your radical. The radical expression is your variable. No? Kala kayo magsosolve algebraically. Ngayon, in radical expression, meron tayong parts. Ano ang tawag dito? Siyempre, obviously, radical sign, di ba? Nakikita. Meron nga tayo akong pag di nyo pa alam to, hindi kayo nag-grade 2. Joke lang. Sino kayong vlogger niyo? Or influence? Dito na grade 2. Pag dito gets. Alright, going back. So, ano yung N na to? That is your index. Aside from, this is an index. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Index, pero dito, in mathematics, index, it indicates the degree of the radical. Ngayon, yan yung index natin. Yan ang tinatawag natin index. Okay, paano ka ba nakaka-encounter kayo ganito? Radical na ganyan. Walang number. Anong index niya dyan? Automatically, 2. Diba? Pati daw na grade 2. Joke lang. Next. What is A? That is radical, of course. M, syempre, that's the power of a radical. Charot. Now, lesson 10. So, dyan na tayo po-proceed. Yan. Konting introduction. Ngayon, meron, yan. Laws of radicals na tayo. Okay. First law and second law is just the same. Kahit yung simplification nyo, kahit nasa loob ng radical sign ang power or nasa labas, ganun lang din ang magiging outcome. Ngayon, ang point dyan, kapag parehas ng value ang radical power at ang index, automatically, ang magiging exponent niyan ay 1. Bakit? Kasi kapag ginawa siyang exponential fraction, siyempre, di ba, kakancel nyo lang yan, at magiging a raised to 1 or simply a. Alright? Now, next, meron naman tayong power rule ng ating radicals. So, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag ganyan, the square root of the another square root, syempre, ko-combine nyo yung index. Alright. So, I hope you all get my point. Next, the product rule. So, kapag ganyan, kapag parehas sila ng index, syempre, kapag parehas sila ng index or the radical expression, just combine their radicands. So, ito makukuha. Alright. Next. Kapag di man, syempre, kabaliktaran lang nito. The quotient rule. Okay, kapag parehas sila ng index, syempre, parehas lang din. Di-divide nyo lang yung kanilang radicals. So, proceed tayo sa ating solve problem number 1. We have the square root of 16a raised to 16 power. So, what's our next step? So, una, kailangan ko by 16 and a raised to 16 power. Ayan. Ayaw kasing mag-play. Sorry. Now, after that, so para hindi tayo mahirapan, para hindi tayo malito kung paano natin ginawa. So, express ko na lang muna siya in exponential expression. Okay. Yung square root of 16, ginawa ko siyang exponent fraction, which is raised to 1/2, parehas. Para hindi tayo malito, lalo na to, variable to. And we have different kinds of laws kapag ganyan, di ba? So, square root of 16, obviously 4, di ba? Ito naman, so 16, 16 times 1, 16. Over 2, divide nyo sa 2. Meron tayong 4 raised to 8. Next, problem number 2. So, we have the cube root of 8y 12. So, same procedure. Ginawa kong fraction, yung exponent. Yung radical, ginawa kong fraction exponent. Ayun, the cube root of 8, obviously, that is 2. So, doon sa chart, calculate nyo na lang. Alright, going back. So, dito, 12 times 1 all over 3 or 1/3. So, yan lang. 12 divided by 3, obviously, we have 4. So, we have 2y raised to 4 power. Next problem. So, we have the cube root of negative 27 p raised to 21 power. Dito sa case na to, di ba kanina dun sa tawag dito sa math work natin, meron tayong given, di ba, na negative. Sabi natin kanina, no real roots. That is for square. No? Parallel lang yun sa mga squareds. No? Sa 2 ang radical, sa 2 ang index rather. Ayan. Pero dito allows siya. Bakit? So we have negative 27 and we have p21. Dinistribute natin yung cube root. Ngayon, ayan, ginawa natin siyang fraction. So, what is the cube root of negative 27? Obviously, negative 3. Then, ngayon, natin to all over 3 and we have negative 3p7. Kasi negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9 rather. Positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Okay? So, problem number 4 is we have the square root of cube root of 64x raised to 60 power. Ngayon, since sabi nga natin, kapag wala kayong nakitang index dito sa radical, obviously, meron tayong 2 dyan. Naintindihan? Ganon. Diba? So, 2 times 3, obviously, we have 6. Square root, so, 6 rather. 6 root of 64 x 60. Nagigets pa? Alright. So, pinag-iwalay natin yung, basta gagawin lang natin para hindi kayo malito, that's just a technique. Just separate the 2 between the numerical and literal coefficient, the constant and a variable. Alright. So, ginawa natin siyang exponential fraction. Okay, para hindi tayo malito, di ba? Alright. So, what is the next step? Siyempre, combine. Combine, di ba? Combine. So, what is the 6th root of 64 of course 2? Try to your calculator. Give it a try. So, what is 60 divided by 6? To simplify, so we have gets. So if you have some questions, you're free to add your public comment, no? And if there's something wrong in my video, just send your feedback, and I'm ready to improve my teaching skills. Alright, next problem. Next problem, please. PowerPoint. Okay. We have square root of 25 a raised to 6 all over 289b raised to 4. So, paano gagawin dyan? Siyempre, yan lang din ang equivalence niyan. So, dinistribute natin yung radical both numerator and denominator. Ano ang numerator? Ito. Ano ang denominator? Ito. Okay. Okay. Now, siyempre, para hindi tayo malito, gawin natin siyang fraction. So, dito, ayan, kinombine natin to. Nagawa natin dito, multiplication of full number to fraction rule. Diba? So, ayan, 6 over 2 over 2. Then, simplify nyo, we have a raised to 3 and b raised to 2. Naintindihan? Siyempre. If there's a, kapag dinitindihan, siyempre, pwede siyang, pwede siyang balikan, pwede rin capital. Okay. So, ngayon, in my next video, so, hope meron kayo na natutunan sa ating first lesson about radicals, which is the law. Kasi, ang application niyan ay ito na. At ang mga susunod pa ay pag-a-applyan natin ng mga natutunan natin sa laws of radicals. So, for now, thanks for watching our dear math learners. And see you in my next video.